Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri badipet Tnat rel Kwah Ïashem sasisian yaki Kynhun ki bom pedang yaki Lynti rel Shwa Pynkut no yaki project harilum khasi. Habay ekran mat kinong thok khobor haga sngi balang Myntri rangba konrat ke sangma ulaong bahaga jing kendu jong dang shen bat Myntri Tnat rel Delhi ula penpau ke jing sngo khya halor ke jing bom ya chakmat ke project Lynti rel kabade ban poi shaberni hat bat Shillong. Hendrai Myntri rangba ula kran shai bakani ke project kan ya chakmat tanglada ki weipat ki Kynhun ki menjur lang. Konrat ulaong ba Myntri Tnat rel ulaong ba unsapha shithi shaka sarkar jila ban pensngo balada omla ban penya chakmat ya ke project Lynti rel ke bala sateng na du usnam arja khanyo ka sarkar pedeng ka hab ban shim ya ke rai ban Pynkut no ya ke project. Hendrai ha juga po na kalyang Myntri udang Kwah Ïashem bat ki Kynhun ki ba persha Lynti rel ban pensngo haki bat sngo tho ya ke jing Kwah jongki. Kumta Myntri Tnat rel unsapha shen ya ke shithi shaka sarkar jila ha ka bede bat kani kamat hakini ki khandiat banai. Kumban penken mau ke project Lynti rel ke badai ban poi shadu rong hana bernihat kadang sateng namar kidan ki Kynhun ki bepersha bat hadu menta ke project kadang sateng klempat la ban penyat shaprang.
I met Railway Minister, I met Minority Affairs Minister, I met Defence Minister, I met Home Minister and certain officials, senior officials of certain departments. These are the major things. So, let me share that with you. I think it's a good idea to share that with you. Where do I start? Okay, I'll start with the simpler ones. So we met Minority Affairs Minister, and I have submitted certain projects for consideration. Projects amounting to close to about 1,000 plus crores, and I've requested Minister to support us in those projects. So we discussed those in detail. I don't want to share the names of the projects because if it doesn't get through, then again question will come: how it happened, why government rejected. So I don't want to go into. So these are the negotiations, discussions that we have with central government. But we have put up proposals to Minority Affairs, and Minister has asked for further clarification. So we will discuss, and we're hopeful that some of the projects will go through. Second meeting I had with the Railway Minister. I think this is an important meeting. I think you may want to record this one. So when I met the Railway Minister, has expressed concern about the railway project at Bernihat as well as at Shillong. And I have made it amply clear to him in that meeting that we need to take the stakeholders into confidence, and without doing that, it will not be proper for us to bulldoze on a subject like this. And in detail, I mentioned to him why, and have always stressed on taking the community and the people on board while going for a major decision like this. So Minister has understood the subject, but he has also in no mixed words has mentioned that if within a certain time frame, I think he'll be writing a letter to me very soon, could be 3 months or 6 months time. If this issue is not resolved in one way or the other, then the 300 crores or something that he has given money for land acquisition, 200 crores that has come for land acquisition that has been lying with the DC since 2017. That money will be asked back, so we have to give back the money, which is obviously we have to. And second is more importantly that this project will be then cancelled, and the government may take up other projects if the other regions of the state are keen. So that of course I have requested that he give us some time to discuss, but the time limit is very, very limited. He did not give me exact months, but he has mentioned there will be few months. He will be writing to me very soon. And he said that if necessary, he himself will come and have a meeting with stakeholders to discuss the importance of this. And we'll see how to take it forward. But as I said, he has given a very, very strong statement and indication to me that if we are not able to move forward, then this particular project, which runs in thousands of crores and which has got huge economic impact for our state, will have to be cancelled. I met the Defence Minister, and we had a detailed discussion on the airport land. As you're aware, that certain section of the extended runway which is required for the expansion of the Umroi airport, a small number of acres of land is under defense, and we have had multiple meetings with the defense ministry, and there has been a discussion on how we can go further. Details I'll explain, I think, once things become more clearer. But my meeting with Honorable Defense Minister was to apprise him about that particular situation. But I got a very positive response from him, and he said that he'll give full support in whatever way required, because the expansion of the runway is very important, and commercial flights, which is the A320 flights, should land in Shillong at the earliest. So we had a very positive meeting. I had a very positive response from Shri Rajnath Singh ji, and we are hopeful that we will be able to start the expansion of the runway soon, and hopeful that within maximum maybe 12 to 15 months time, we would be able to see commercial flights landing directly from Delhi, and commercial flights are coming in, the larger ones, the A320 and the similar aircrafts will be landing in Umroi Airport, which would be a major game changer in terms of tourism for the state of Meghalaya.